The circle? Cracking everybody, your boy Keep Fresh. We're out here with another banger right now. They're already taking over the spot. Let me see if this seat does it for the one time. I like the X's now, how they get a little sideways. He got close to them right there. Almost hit the. This guy knows what he's doing. Okay. I don't trust the Mustang. Hell no, fuck that shit. Get away. I like that. Somebody call the cops on you. BMW out here right now for the one time. The homie's coming out. Alright guys, so the car crash just happened right now, but we're gonna continue with the fucking takeover right now. Crazy how the crash just happened right now, and like we're back to normal right now, like nothing ever happened. one cop showing up. It's okay. He's about to show him his ass. Yeah, that's right. Show him your ass.
Fuck 12, nigga!
We got Chopper. Take a shot for my cave gang, baby. Let's go. I don't know if I should finish it or not, depending on
Just finish it.
I'll see my mood.
Don't be a pussy.
Oh, they stopped somebody over here too. Oh, the bottle. my fucking driver's lit. They stopped this Honda right here. Damn. They'll talk and give me diarrhea, so stay away from that. But we got some cops right here. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. He's got it. Hey, he's coming a little horny. A little horny he's coming out right now. Whoa, 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 what's going on? He's a little too horny right now. He's a little too horny. We just had a 2019 Mustang and now here comes the 2019 fucking Camaro. Let's see what he does. ¿Qué pasa ahí? ¿Qué está pasando? ¿Qué pasa? ¡Parquéalo! Just turn off the car. People want the traction off. People want the traction off.